What's up, everyone? Hope y'all are doing good. First off, I'm wearing those bagatelles, Cartier bagatelle from 1990 that I posted a video with the Golden Gate Bridge. But today we have an unboxing to do. Just a hint, it's not Cartier, but it is something else that has strong significance. Also, the music is by Power Glove. It's a pretty cool artist. Plays like 80's style music. So we got those two boxes. Brand new with the tag, baby. This glass thing opens up, but here's the display. So it has room for 6 frames. Unfortunately, Boeing is not doing good itself. You know, their doors are open, their wings are flying off or whatever. But in the 80s and 90s, they were ruling. There you go. Carrera, made in Austria, with the tags. There you go. Look at this beautiful, look at the design on top. Has that marbling gray design. So this is Carrera Boeing. They made a few collaborated designs. That's the first one, the only one that I think I got. Here's another Carrera for those who like outdoorsy stuff. Another one with a nice dark tortoise design. Same one. I guess I have 2 of those. There we go. Look at these nice designs. The nice dotted designs right here. The rounded edges, hinges. It's beautiful. Look at that. It says Boss on it. For those that don't know, Carrera is more of a sport eyewear that started in the 60s, I believe. They did collaborations with Porsche, with Boeing, Movado, and Hugo Boss, and I'm sure a few more. But the best era was when they made frames in Austria. Here they are. If you guys are interested in anything, DM me anytime. Have a good day.